Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Vlogmas day 7. 7, yes, I said it. Now, oh, you notice that us here always make me a sweat? No, sir. Alright, so Vlogmas day 7. I have some stuff to take care of on the road. Important stuff. But knowing me, I gotta buy something. So we're going on the road together. And when I know me, I want to go everywhere. I'm supposed to meet up with my sister and my brother-in-law, right? Then I come up here to come spend some time. So I go to the bank. I need to go to the bank today. I forgot the bank today. So I'm going to go to the bank and then after meet up with them, see what we can get. Please don't remind me to buy one wrench. I need a wrench. And I think we need to get Jason a toolbox. Like with other tools. I don't want him to have no screwdriver. We have screwdriver on them there already. So I need to get him a toolbox. Wonder if I'm forgetting that for Christmas. Because boy, I need a wrench. So remind me. I don't want to have a remind me, but remind me so I need a wrench. And I need some fruits. Because I want to do a fruit challenge with Jason. And then we'll come home. Because it's a Vlogmas and Christmas is all about family coming together, sharing, and yeah. So I could see out to the workout. I could see out to the workout. Day 7, guys. Day 7. For you see me reach a Vlogmas day 7. I don't know I'm serious about it. I'm not give up. I'm not giving up. I'm not giving up. I'm not give up. I really not give up. So I'm gonna lock up the house right now. Put on my mask. The mask. Oh, this not come with it, man. Not come with none of the things to squeeze down. Oh, and guys, I always see people that say, why do you always put on the mask wrong? Sometimes other mascara whatever. I don't love these. I don't think they make good. I don't know if it's a factory fault or what, but I really don't love it. I love when I put on my mask and I squeeze it down on my nose because I don't want nothing to come up. So I'm going to change this. I need to change this. I see if I have no mask. I have a pack, you know. But, whoa, that means I have one pack of that one here. Bro. Oh my God. I don't like them one here. Them one here don't make no sense, brother. Them one here don't make a sense. Oh, see me squeeze it. Yeah. See mask here. I saw mask for look. I never made me look a pigtail them. Yeah, so see mask here. I saw mask for look. Never mind me look a pigtail. I don't know why I put lasket on it. Why my ear white up? I put lasket on it now it looks squeezed up. Wanna see it? I not take them off, you know. The hairstyle is not for beauty, for duty. So check the house if it lock up. Alright. Gas turn off. Guys, I do this every time. Fridge door close. I have to ensure fridge door close. I have to ensure pipe and drip. And I use that. Oh. I'm gonna pray. Amen. I never remember for prayer a while ago, so I'm gonna pray. No guys, I'm gonna pray every morning. Sometimes I really don't remember. Not proud to say that either. I'm not proud at all because you can't remember to wash the man clothes, can't remember to cook the man food, you can't remember him password, but you can't remember to pray. The guilty bad. some mornings me really not remember, but when I remember, I don't hesitate. Cause things slip you. It will really slip you. Cause me we say, alright, I need to go pray, but let me go use the bathroom and come back. You see when you don't use the bathroom? You go in at the bed and you take up your phone, you don't remember a thing. So as me remember to pray, me will just pray. Even if it's not long, I just want to, thank God for your next day. And yeah, just thank him overall. So yeah, we're gonna leave out now. Ready. Woo, the sun is nice. Just reach home. Everybody come home one time, which is good. But never did was say him did I go come home with me because him always are doing own thing. But the good old Lucy there.
Yeah.
Wait, you know promote your channel.
Lucy and Lovell.
Yeah. So with that one, I buy the fruits them for the fruit challenge. Pepper, guys, $200 for the bag. For the bag of this. And I think it worth it. And let me know. And them firm. I love when my pepper firm. So I put them in the sink until water come back. I don't know, we just come on my water gone. Alright guys, so my market stuff them here when I buy. Pumpkin. Because I can make some good old pigtail soup. Who not drink pigtail can just eat a road.
Easily.
Breadfruit. Don't play with me.
I know where to go when you want to eat a road now. I say me do it by myself. Me I tell you say me never need no help.
Chocho. I buy 2 chocho. Sweet potato. And yam. Just now gonna drink some tea. Lovell gonna drink tea. And then we're gonna do the fruit challenge. Yeah. Yeah. Guys, I couldn't get fever record today because I got bank from early this morning. And I didn't leave out that bank until 2. Look at what time I left out the bank. About 2:30. But bank lock with me in there. But the best part about it, I got through. So that's the best part. And the last time I did make one mistake for one paper. I don't know how I made that mistake there. But this time when I got everything did a smooth sailing. Guys, sorry for not showing the things them. I even want to go in a one store go buy something. And that just couldn't work out because could have left the bank. Then I don't want them pass my name. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with
Babe.
from
Babe
Razorblade TV, Razorblade TV Vlogs, and Razorblade Family. Go over to his YouTube channel and check him out.
It's actually the Razorblade family though.
The Razorblade Family. So, today we're going to do fruit challenge. But me as I wonder if we can just eat everything in the, who can finish everything in the plate first.
So me I go race eat food?
Yeah, a fruit. What you think, Lovell? Eat everything or eat them one by one and see who win which round?
Alright, this I know.
You can do everything, honey.
Sorry, so we're going to see who can finish what in a plate first.
I like foreign apple.
Well, it's a challenge. Winner gets 10K.
No, say it better because I want to make sure I get my money.
Winner get 10K.
Say $10,000 because age are very tricky. If you say 16K, then you send me 10K from my WhatsApp. You me idiot?
Hey, winner get $10,000.
Jamaican.
Winner get 10,000 JMD.
I set up the safe right away, but alright.
Winner get $10,000.
Alright. This night I know. What that?
Papaya, and it's a challenge. You have to try to eat everything. So set the timer for me. So 15 minutes to eat all of this. Winner gets 10K. 10,000 JMD. On your mark, get set, go.
At least this is a game I can chew on up with you. Hey, mom, I didn't after this same, you know. Hopefully, me pack food.
Here's your food.
You know, me tell you this, I try some of food to make it give me fear. Alright, we don't do that. Don't you know?
Anybody who will me and that thing goes up and they go fire.
No feel so kind today. You know, so I could literally chew food, but you know, my style already cut and swallow. Maybe pan your belly if you get puppy. You can't eat no more. Kind of. So what pan them up?
Stop. They distract me.
Jump out that plane and say, Mayday! Where are you something them there?
You're right to send me them.
Babe, you just start for me pineapple.
No.
Yeah, the distraction.
Be careful.
Bet you.
Cut me.
it, Jason. Try.
Yeah, we eat
It's at least.
everything.
You have to eat everything.
Hey, this not done, you know?
Don't worry about my baby.
Ah! Ready now. No, man. The food, what? Done.
Done.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carry me.
Oh man. And we're done. Can't go no more.
Alright, but how you have this? This how me have this.
So I have 2 pans left and all of this. Jason eating an papaya, Jason eating an apple.
Yet.
Yeah, like you want.
So I win.
You know when you're done?
I have 4 minutes left. So.
No. I'm gonna pass the minute them. You give up? Alright, good. I can see your food there.
Jason, I saw me eat pine. Me not eat them part the run pine sometimes. Jason, this a pine you done. Me not eat it.
I'll boil on the meat. How do you go? I see soap powder taste now. No, to fabricate it. Be like a biography. I never feel it have. No, I'm not perfect. This, ugh.
Try it. It's fruit.
Man, I'm not with seed
It's a
tonight, you know.
fruit. Banana seed.
I never see seed then.
So, but you said that.
Yes! Yes!
Babe, me not tell no lie.
Anybody eat an apple and you're disgusting. Remember if you like it, you're disgusting. That's how you can know.
Babe, me not tell no lie. You know, eat it and me can't go no further.
You give me winnings?
No! It would not say that
Well,
be... Alright.
Right,
no.
what mean if you win then?
No, if you eat off it, then you win. But if you stop with me, then me win.
You know, you
Because
figure
I eat my papaya.
you know, you didn't want to get winnings with them and no me can't get winnings with them I have left.
Oh, you can get winnings with you when you only
Alright, you have 2 things left. I have 2 things left.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the good thing about A and Jack try
Okay.
everything. And they-
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. Papaya tastes like doodoo itself. Me never want me to have the rest of food, you know?
So, question, when you do
No, sassy. Me never want to but that's right, yes.
we can't go no further.
Who win?
So, me basically win because me not have no, just have almost all in papaya left back and almost all in apple.
Bro, you have almost.
Me not...
My God, it's more than half a tangerine.
Alright guys, me only eat one Sunday. Me not tell no lie.
You can't get this up.
But me not... But,
You know this is what you want.
when me win, go for my money. Comment and make me know who win. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50k. Bye guys.